principal of Harborview Primary School, Lawrence Wright, says that the highway leading up to the roundabout at Harborview is a death trap for pedestrians.
The challenge that the students and the wardens have at a pedestrian crossing leading towards the roundabout at Harborview are many. The students have to wait on vehicles to stop, literally, because many students have had injuries.
He says the pedestrian crossing on the road has not been painted in years, and he is calling for help to get it repainted.
Maybe a couple of years ago, the MP for the constituency gave us some paint because we appealed to her to help us repaint the pedestrian crossing. So we need help. We need school zone signs. We need pedestrian crossing. If we can get an overhead bridge, I don't know if it is feasible, but we can ask. It is something that is a need. I mean, the Woolmer's schools have it, and their road is not as dangerous as the highway. And with the new, with all the development coming on the street, it's going to be even a faster thoroughfare.
The PBCJ reported in a previous newscast that the traffic wardens in that area have been having a hard time getting the students and other pedestrians safely across the street. Meantime, Transport Minister Odeshaw says regulations are coming to deter motorists from speeding inside school zones. He says in addition to the current speed limit areas, provision is now being made for school safe zones,
in which the speed limit is 30 kilometers per hour, as well as areas with a 65 kilometer per hour speed limit. Implementation of these new speed limit provisions will be phased.
He says work is being done to identify, update, and finalize boundaries. He made the announcement in Parliament this week while outlining a raft of provisions under the Road Traffic Regulations 2022, which was subsequently approved.